Good day. Welcome to another training video on QuantumPOS. We specialize in providing point-of-sale solutions for big companies, for small companies, for growing companies, whether you're in one country or you've got presence in multiple countries. We've got software that can assist you to manage your business professionally. It gives you insights, gives you information. Today we're going to talk about HS codes. These are international codes normally used for customs clearing, but they are now being used for fiscalisation in some countries. And QuantumPOS is proud to tell you that we are now able to handle the issue of HS code. So I'm going to quickly show you. We go to stock on the menu, product details. Let's go to the right at the bottom there, set HS codes for products. So this assumes that we've got products already set up and you want to then configure the HS codes for that product. All right, so I'm going to look for, if you want to service your car, maybe I'm looking for some oil. So you realize this product has no HS code currently. I'm going to have to look for the HS code. This one is something else. How would we find this? What's here? So those who know HS codes, you probably know this better. Let's check here. Yeah, not really. Anyway, for the sake of progress, let's just pick something so that we just see how it would come out here. So I'll just pick this. So this is the selected HS code. If you think this is not the one, or you optionally just want to put the HS code directly, you can actually simply edit it there. And then when you click this button, you'll be able to set the HS code for this product like we have done now. So I've already set up the HS code for that one product. Okay. If you optionally, let's say we can pick the same product again. Let's just look for it, GTX. So you see now it's showing the current HS code. If I want, maybe I'm changing into this one, but I want to change all the products under the category injections to have the same HS code. That's also possible. You can then click set HS code for all products in the same category. All right, wonderful. So now let's go do a quick sale. Let me just make sure I've set my printer here so that you can print on A4 using a normal invoice. Okay, so GTX. Remember, you can use a barcode, you can use a touch screen. Here I'm doing this for demo. All right, pay for it. So you'll see that the invoice comes, and here you see under product code, it's showing us the HS code. If the product doesn't have an HS code, it will show us the system product code instead. All right, I hope this is satisfactory for all of you guys. Have a good day.